Hello, this video demonstration is going to focus on creating a single curriculum for a combination class. So in this example, if you look at this landing page for my example teacher, you can see that I've got a teacher that has a 4-5 combo. Here are all the fourth grade subjects, and here are all the fifth grade subjects. Now your page may not look like this. Some teachers are only managing math with Pacent Reporters, and other teachers are managing all their subjects, and some in between. Okay, our focus for this video is just to look at Math 4 and Math 5. Okay, if we want to make a single curriculum, since we know that Pacent Reporter has a set of assessments, interim assessments, lessons, and planning guides that go with each subject, and we want a more manageable environment, we may choose to pick either Math 4 or Math 5 rather than trying to do both. Okay, and that's what this video demonstration is intended to help with. So we're going to start by going to our enrollment page. We do that by clicking on the person icon or rolling over the person icon, which will make a menu come available. We'll pick enrollment. By default, if you're an elementary school teacher, your enrollment page always goes to your homeroom, which is kind of like a big bucket. It manages all the students for all of your subjects. So if you add or drop a student at this level, all of your subjects automatically get the student. So you only have to do it a single time. If we look at this enrollment, we can see we have some fourth graders and some fifth graders in this class. Okay, this is not the level to manage students within your subject. This is just the level to add and drop students from all of your classes. Okay, so if you want to manage a particular subject, then you click on the down arrow or anywhere on this box, and you'll see a list of subjects. I'm going to pick math. When I get down to my math subject, you'll notice there are no students to add or drop. I just have a list of students, and in this case, since it's a combination class, I actually have two groups. I've got a Math 5 group, a Math 5 group and a Math 4 group. And Pacent Reporter assumes that when we add a bunch of Math 4 students or fourth grade students, that you want them in your Math 4 group, and a bunch of Math 5 students, you want them in your Math 5 group. So this is what you're going to get by default. If you want to set your class up to be all Math 4 or all Math 5, all you need to do is press the radio button that corresponds to each student in the curriculum for which you'd like to have them enrolled. In this case, I'm trying to simplify things by making my entire class a Math 5 class for mathematics at least. Okay? Once I've done that, I can press save. So what does that look like from your grade book? Well, if you go to your A+ icon here, it'll show you all your subjects. In this case, I'll go down to Math 5. If I look at Math 5, I can see that I've got my 5 students here now. I can give them scores for spiraling assessments, interims, etc. So they're treated just like Math 5 students from this point forward. Now, the one thing you'll want to watch for as you're working through the school year is as students are added to your class. So for example, let's say in December you have a new student that gets added. So I'm going to simulate that by going to your enrollment page. I'm going to pass over the person icon and click on enrollment. Again, by default, it takes you to your homeroom, which is where students are added or deleted from all your subjects. In this case, I've got a fourth grade student out there that I can add. I'm going to just left click and drag left to right. Once the student's added, I can press save. And so I've just added Joseph Campos. Okay? Now, Joseph Campos is a fourth grade student, so Pacent Reporter is going to think that you want Joseph Campos to be in your fourth grade curriculum. So in order to change that, I need to go into your mathematics subject. I do that by clicking anywhere on this box. It opens a list of subjects. I go down to my math subject, and I just double check on Joseph Campos. Sure enough, he's in the fourth grade curriculum. If in fact I want him in the fifth grade curriculum, I simply press the radio button that goes with the fifth grade curriculum, and then I press save. Okay, so on occasion, as you add students, you're going to want to make sure that you double check your enrollment page to make sure the student is getting the curriculum that you expect. One of the things that you'll notice is the student won't be on the list if you don't do this. So if you have a new student not showing up on a list, this is a great place to just go check. Again, it's on your enrollment page under your subject. And this is going to be different for each subject. So I'm talking about mathematics right now. If I go to my grading page, let's go a different way. I can go to my home page and open my grading or assignment page by pressing on Math 5 here. And from Math 5, I can see I now have Joseph Campos has been added in, and he'll be available for all of the corresponding subjects. Last note is if you are using Pacent Reporter to manage other subjects and you want to make different decisions, you can, because if I look at Reading 5, for example, since I haven't changed that at all, notice I only have 3 students in Reading 5. So I don't have to put all of my kids in all of the fifth grade curriculum. I can decide subject by subject which kids I want to be grouped in which curriculum. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day.